Hey beauties, welcome to Blush Life. My name is Bhabana and this channel is all about beauty. Sorry for being MIA for a while, but I'm back with a very highly requested video and probably one of my most popular videos here on YouTube featuring LullaBellz. So without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, I would like to thank LullaBellz for sponsoring this video. If you don't know already, LullaBellz offer a wide range of hair products, my favorite being their hair extensions, of course. I've used quite a few hair extensions from them in the past, and for me, they are by far the best I've ever come across. And the best part is they're very affordable. So I highly recommend you check them out. I'll put the link in the description below. Before we go on to the hair tutorial, I want to start today's video by quickly unboxing all the products that I received from LullaBellz. The first one, and the one I'm super excited about, is this giant pink box, which is the LullaBellz brushes, clips and comb essentials set. Pink and pretty, I love it. Now let's open it. Ta-da! Everything looks better in pink and I totally agree. This box includes 9 essential hair tools and accessories. So we have handbag essential mini detangling brush, set and slay setting clips, 2-in-1 essential travel brush and comb, volume and body back combing brush, perfect styling section clips, tangle free Hollywood wave comb, on the go tangle teaser hairbrush, sleek styling vent hairbrush, and finally smooth and shine paddle brush. I can't wait to try them all. Then we have 2 new products from LullaBellz, which I will also be using in today's tutorial. First one being Sleek and Fix styling glue for all hair types, and then Slick Back Down baby hair styler. And finally, the hair extensions itself. I have 4 synthetic hair extensions with me today. The first one being 5-piece curly. The color is chocolate brown. All of them is in chocolate brown. And the second one is Grande length 26-inch blow dry wraparound pony. And then we have 26-inch Grande braid. And finally we have half up, half down straight. So for today's hair tutorial, I will be using this Grande 26-inch blow dry wraparound pony. I've already prepped my hair. This is my day 2 hair. I use Olaplex number 4 and number 5 shampoo and conditioner, followed by their number 6 bond smoother before blow drying my hair with Dyson Airwrap. And then I use Olaplex number 7 bonding oil, and this is how my hair looks. My hair is definitely a lot healthier since switching to Olaplex and Dyson. Anyways, let's start by creating the ponytail. I will be using their on-the-go tangle teaser brush. So let's brush my hair away. My hair does get very tangly, so the only comb that I will always use is a tangle teaser, and this is very similar, and my hair is instantly detangled, which is amazing. Let me use this Slick and Fix styling glue to tame my frizzy hair. Let's do it. Ooh. This smells really nice. Coconutty. Ooh. That's what it looks like. Let me just rub it in between the palm of my hands and then just go over my hair. Now this contains hair loving ingredients such as grapeseed oil, shea butter and aloe vera to help lock in hydration as well as strengthen your hair. What's also great about both of the new products from LullaBellz is that they're free from paraben and sulfate, and they're also vegan and cruelty free. So it's definitely ticking all the right boxes for me. I'm gonna create the pony as high as I can, so I might actually flip my hair down and then create a ponytail as high as I can. I'm using 2 rubber bands to tie my ponytail. Right, there you go. I think that is high enough and that feels really secure. I'm just going to tidy it all up and I will be back. And she's back, and this is how my hair looks. I'm going to put the hair extension next. So let's unbox this beauty. Ta-da! Ah, this looks so gorgeous. It comes in hairnet to protect the hair itself. And this is how it looks. Let me try and see if I can rip it apart. Oh, that's what it looks like. It looks so pretty. I'm going to brush through this synthetic hair with this Hollywood wave comb. Ah, nice. Right, so it comes with a mini comb right there that's going to hook onto the top of my hair, and it has a velcro strap and of course the additional hair to wrap around. And it also comes with a mini instruction right there. So how to apply: tie your natural hair into a ponytail using a bobble. Grab your grande. The hairpiece has a built-in comb. Dig this under your hair bubble for the most secure fitting. Wrap the velcro strap around to keep in place. Then conceal this with the spare piece of hair. Use hair slice to secure in place, and voila, instant hair goals. Right, I'm separating this part of the hair and we're gonna go in. Ooh. Right, let's see. So the mini comb hopefully goes onto my hair bubbles, and then we're gonna wrap around the velcro bit right there and right here. Okay, get underneath all these hair. I hope you can see it. So yeah, it comes to this bit here, and then we're gonna wrap it all around. Hopefully it's nice and secure. Yep. And then go around all the way. I can probably go one more. There we go. So we're gonna tuck this underneath, and then I'm gonna use this 2 slider that it came with. So that's what it looks like, and we're gonna secure it all in place right underneath. There we go. Another one. We're gonna go and secure the ponytail. There we go. And hopefully that is nice and secure. Nice. That's how it looks. What I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to tidy it up off camera and I will be back. I've just finished tidying up my hair, and the next step is actually using this slick back down baby hair styler to tidy up these little frizzy babies, you know, frizzy babies. So let's do it. Right, so that's what it looks like. I actually used this earlier to tame my eyebrows, and I think it did not a bad job. So let's see how it actually works on my hair. So let's go over them. Ooh, it does bring it down quite nicely. Ooh, it has very similar smell to the other one. Right, as you can see, let's try and see if I can tidy these little hair. You can actually use this on a synthetic hair as well. A little bit of a style down here. I like that. I feel like that's instantly tamed my frizzy hair, so yeah, very impressed so far. And this is the final finished look. What do you think? It's definitely giving me that Arianna Grande vibe, which I'm absolutely loving. Love how easy it was to create this sleek polished look using all LullaBellz products. Honestly guys, I can't recommend them enough. I will put the link to all products I've shown you in today's tutorial in the description box below, so do check them out. If you'd like more hair tutorials from me, then do let me know in the comments below. As usual, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Until next time, mwah.